Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mike and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce with a platform that's been making waves, Shopify. If you've ever considered setting up your own online store, chances are you've come across Shopify. But what exactly is it, and more importantly, is it the right fit for your business? Shopify is essentially a one-stop shop for building, launching, and growing your online business. From sleek website designs and customizable templates to secure payment gateways and marketing tools, Shopify provides all the essentials you need to take your business online. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Shopify? In a nutshell, Shopify is a subscription-based software that allows you to build your own online store and sell products directly to customers. Think of it as the foundation for your digital storefront. The beauty of Shopify lies in its simplicity and user-friendliness. You don't need any coding experience or technical expertise to get started. They've got tons of professionally designed templates that you can easily customize to match your brand aesthetic. Shopify isn't just about creating a website, it's a complete e-commerce ecosystem. From processing payments and managing orders to handling shipping logistics and running marketing campaigns, Shopify provides all the tools you need to run your business smoothly and efficiently. With a massive app store offering integrations with tons of third-party services, you can further enhance Shopify's functionality to fit your specific needs. Alright, so you're ready to dive into the world of Shopify? The good news is getting started is incredibly straightforward. First things first, head over to Shopify.com and sign up for their free trial. You don't need a credit card to get started, so you can explore the platform and its features risk-free. Once you're in, it's time to choose a theme for your store. Shopify offers a wide range of free and paid themes, each with customizable options to match your brand identity. Now let's add some products. This is the heart of your store, so take your time to create compelling product descriptions, upload high-quality images, and set appropriate prices. Next up, you'll need to set up your payment gateway. Shopify integrates seamlessly with popular payment providers like Stripe and PayPal, making the process a breeze. With your products listed and payment gateway set up, you're almost ready to launch. Okay, we've covered the basics of getting started with Shopify, but now let's dive into what makes this platform truly stand out: its features. First and foremost, Shopify is all about ease of use. The platform's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly simple to customize your store's design, add products, and manage orders, even if you have zero coding experience. But don't let the simplicity fool you, Shopify is built to scale. Whether you're just starting out with a handful of products or you're a rapidly growing business with thousands of items, Shopify can handle it all. In today's mobile-first world, having a responsive website is crucial. Shopify's themes are all mobile responsive, ensuring that your store looks great and functions flawlessly on any device. Shopify has a massive app store with thousands of integrations, from built-in SEO tools to social media integrations and email marketing features. Shopify provides all the essential tools you need to reach your target audience and drive sales. Shopify has a robust analytics dashboard that gives you valuable insights into your store's performance, allowing you to track sales, monitor traffic, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your business for growth. Shopify apps and integrations. Alright, let's talk about one of the things that makes Shopify so incredibly powerful: its app store and integrations. Need help with email marketing? Boom! Integrate with MailChimp or Klaviyo to automate your email campaigns and nurture customer relationships. Struggling with inventory management? No problem, connect with apps like ShipBob or Inventory Planner to streamline your inventory tracking and fulfillment process. Want to boost your social media game? Shopify integrates seamlessly with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, making it easy to showcase your products and reach a wider audience. And if you're looking to enhance your customer support, apps like Zendesk and Gorgias can help you manage customer inquiries, track support tickets, and provide exceptional service. You'll find apps for everything from accounting and finance to SEO optimization and design. This vast ecosystem of integrations is what truly sets Shopify apart, allowing you to customize your store and build a tech stack that perfectly aligns with your business needs. Shopify for different types of businesses. One of the things that makes Shopify so great is its versatility. It's not a one-size-fits-all platform. It's a powerful tool that can be adapted to work for different types of businesses across various industries. Let's say you're a fashion designer with your own clothing line. Shopify's stylish themes and customizable product pages allow you to showcase your creations in the best possible light, while features like size charts and variant options make it easy for customers to find the perfect fit. Maybe you're a tech enthusiast selling the latest gadgets and electronics. Shopify's integration with platforms like Printful and Printify allows you to sell print-on-demand products, so you can focus on designing awesome tech accessories without worrying about inventory or shipping. Even if you're in the business of selling services like online courses or consulting, Shopify has you covered. You can use Shopify to create a professional website, showcase your services, and even process bookings and appointments online. Shopify has a ton of real-life success stories from businesses of all shapes and sizes. No matter what you're selling or what industry you're in, chances are Shopify can help you take your business to the next level. Cost and pricing plans. Okay, let's talk about the nitty-gritty Shopify's pricing plans. Shopify offers a range of plans to suit businesses of all sizes and budgets, so you can choose the one that best aligns with your needs. The basic Shopify plan is a great starting point for new businesses or those with limited sales volume. It gives you all the essentials to get your store up and running, including website and blog functionality, unlimited products, and 24/7 customer support. As your business grows, you can upgrade to the Shopify plan, which unlocks additional features like professional reports, lower credit card transaction fees, and more staff accounts. Shopify also offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test drive the platform and explore its features before committing to a paid plan. When choosing a plan, consider factors like your expected sales volume, the features you need, and your budget. Now you might be wondering, how does Shopify stack up against other e-commerce platforms out there? It's a fair question. Let's compare Shopify to some of its main competitors like WooCommerce, Wix, and Squarespace. WooCommerce is a popular open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. While it offers a high level of customization and flexibility, it also requires more technical expertise to set up and manage compared to Shopify's user-friendly approach. Wix is known for its intuitive drag-and-drop website builder, making it a popular choice for beginners. However, its e-commerce features are not as robust or scalable as Shopify's, making it more suitable for smaller businesses. Squarespace focuses on website building with e-commerce functionality as an add-on. While it offers stunning templates and a user-friendly interface, it may not be the ideal solution for businesses primarily focused on online selling. Shopify's combination of ease of use, powerful features, and a thriving ecosystem of apps and integrations makes it a compelling choice for businesses of all sizes looking to establish and grow their online presence. One of the best ways to understand the true potential of Shopify is to look at real-life success stories. Take, for example, Kylie Cosmetics, the beauty brand founded by Kylie Jenner. They leveraged Shopify to launch their online store and quickly became a global phenomenon, generating millions in sales. Another inspiring story is that of Fashion Nova, a fast fashion retailer that rose to prominence by using Shopify to create a seamless online shopping experience and capitalize on social media marketing. These success stories highlight the power and scalability of Shopify, but they also offer valuable lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs. So here are a few actionable tips to help you make the most of Shopify for your own business. First, invest time in creating high-quality product photos and writing compelling product descriptions. Remember, online shoppers rely heavily on visuals and detailed information to make purchasing decisions. Second, embrace social media marketing. Connect your Shopify store to your social media accounts and leverage the power of platforms like Instagram and Facebook to reach a wider audience. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Shopify offers a wide range of features and integrations, so take the time to explore and find what works best for your business. So there you have it, guys, a deep dive into the world of Shopify. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of setting up your store to exploring advanced features, comparing it to competitors, and even getting inspired by some incredible success stories. By now it's pretty clear that Shopify is more than just an e-commerce platform. It's a powerful tool that can empower entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes to thrive in the digital age. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, Shopify provides the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed in the ever-evolving world of online commerce. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you found this deep dive into Shopify helpful. If you did, be sure to drop a like down below and let me know what you thought in the comments. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about e-commerce, tech, and building a successful online presence. Now, if you're ready to start building your own online empire, be sure to check out the link in the description to start your free Shopify trial. And as always, thanks for watching.